Hey guys, Calvin Watkins, professional realtor and advisor with United Real Estate Executives. Welcome to Moving to Baltimore. I would like to get your opinion. So I have this home that we're selling. It's a 3-bedroom, 1 full and 1 half bath home. Now the house needs to be totally remodeled. Please let me know what you think about this. Should we go with plan A, remodeling the whole home and having it available for all buyers, or having it available for all buyers who want to live in a healthy neighborhood? This one in particular is Howard Park, but being able to purchase this home and having it totally remodeled the way they want it, not the way we would do it, but the way they would want it. They would get it totally remodeled. They would be able to save 1% on the interest rate for the mortgage, and they don't have to pay any mortgage insurance, saving over $5,000 a year. I think it's plan B, purchasing the home as is and having it remodeled. But I want your opinion. Take a look, let me know what you think. If you're interested in this home, give me a call, 443-281-9800. Shoot me an email, calvin@movingtobaltimore.com. We're gonna put this out. We might even have an open house so people can come in and really see what it looks like. But I think this video will serve that purpose for now. I would like to get the feedback. Drop your comments below and let me know what you think. I put together these pictures to show you what the house would like after the improvements are made. These are virtually staged pictures. You are going to have the design assistant from an architectural firm, so you'll be able to do what you want to do, but these are just renderings. They're virtually staged pictures. So just to kind of give you an idea of what this house could look like after the remodeling work is done, after all the home improvement is done. And again, everything is done through the Healthy Neighborhoods Purchase and Rehab Loan. Get it while you can, because this is an awesome opportunity for you to buy your new home in Baltimore. If you want more information, go to my website, movingtobaltimore.com. The way it works is you get the loan to make home improvements and to purchase the property. The loan carries a fixed interest rate that's always 1% below market. Today, FHA loans come in 6.31. You can actually get this home with a 5.31 FHA loan. And when you have to contribute your 3% towards the purchase price of your own funds, you can actually get a lot of the forgivable loans and grants through Baltimore City to help you get into this home with little money out of your pocket, maybe at least $1,000 of your own money, but you qualify for the grants and forgivable loans available through Baltimore City. That gives you your 3% down. If you have any questions, give me a call, 443-281-9800. Shoot me an email, calvin@movingtobaltimore.com. Get this Healthy Neighborhoods Purchase and Rehab Loan to purchase this home, and you can thank me later. The house has siding. You can have that cleaned up. We'll be taking off this overgrowth here. Beautiful backyard. So if you want some space for dog, kids to play, anything like that, huge backyard. Goes back at least 50 feet that way. You have a back porch. You can put a deck out here. Set it up with a deck. We're gonna have all this cleaned up. All these things is an option. So when you come into this, I want you to definitely think about the possibilities, because there's so many possibilities with this home. This is a home that sits on a one-way street, so it's not a lot of traffic. You think about coming to a home that is in a community. There's a park up the street a little bit, and come right down here. Liberty Heights is down the bottom of the hill, but it's not a hill, of the street. But this home will be really good for someone who's looking to come in and be in a neighborhood where there's not a lot of traffic on the street. We're going to sell this to a homeowner, whether it's through our Remodel Now Pay Later program, or if it's through someone that's going to qualify for a Healthy Neighborhoods grant to get this home and come in with instant equity. I'm Calvin Watkins. Give me a call, 443-281-9800. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, and let's help someone find their new home right here in Baltimore in the Howard Park community. If you like this video, please share it with someone you know who is looking to buy a home. We can have this thing wrapped up. They can be in their home by Christmas.
some great opportunity for someone. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you want to give me a call, 443-281-9800. Shoot me an email, calvin@movingtobaltimore.com. Thank you.